I think manufacturing itself has changed over the years tremendously. You know, thinking that every machining plant is dark and dirty and dangerous has long been changed.
Machinery, it just continues to evolve. You know, there is a piece of equipment that we have today where all the tooling for it is literally stored inside the machine. So what used to take a person mechanical processes to remove the tooling, now in less than 3 minutes, this machine can change its own tooling.
We have many other companies that service our industries, so we're able to get the metals and the unique exotic tools that we need in order to produce the products that are required.
There's always opportunities to move up within manufacturing, and I think that that's important.
There are so many great careers in manufacturing. I think if we get to the point that we can expose people to that, they will naturally want to come to it.
To grow and to move up within a company, you need to work hard. You need to always work hard and seek the next opportunity to advance yourself.
It's just fun to be able to service people knowing what you make makes a difference in someone's life, from people who live right here to people who live all over the world.
I think that sometimes people don't realize that almost anything that they're interested in their life or passions that they might have are somehow impacted by manufacturing. So if you think of an endeavor like cooking, commercial ovens, kitchens, the utensils that people used are made in a manufacturing process that can often be similar to what we're using. If you're interested in fashion design, some of the same equipment that we use, like laser cutting equipment, is used to actually cut fabrics before it's sewn. If you think about music, we sometimes get involved in helping to make speaker systems for musicians or risers for stages. So really anything that you can possibly imagine is somehow touched by manufacturing, which makes this a very exciting field.
Always pay attention into your life of the things that you encounter that really excite you. Virtually anything you could be interested in, there would be a position for you in that. So take as much math and science as you can, because you don't want to sell yourself short.
Manufacturing, I've said, is magic. And you have to find that magic and then tap into that magic so you can grow your career, so you can grow the industry. Manufacturing is exciting, it's growing, it's dynamic. It is really an exciting career path for you.
A career in manufacturing provides an opportunity for women to stand out in a place where people don't often expect them to be. If you're bold enough and strong enough to take on the challenge of being in manufacturing, you might have the opportunity to do things that you would never imagine. And I'd encourage any woman to give it a try. It's definitely worth the effort.
I would encourage every young woman to get into manufacturing, everything from sales to purchasing to quality to machining. And they're all very challenging and very rewarding, and the salaries are very attractive.
There are other women in the industry waiting here to help you, to support you, and to provide the mentorship and leadership that you need to be successful.
Your future is made in manufacturing.
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 Your future is made in manufacturing.